one more setting I have to change every race. We always have too fast repairs for the time I turn damage on.
It's all good, bud. I love your races.
Good luck.
Okay, are we going on you or are we going on green?
On green.
10-4. Gonna kill us all.
All right, Brandon.
Reach
Are you ready?
up there and pull those belts tight. One more time, Saturday night style.
Green, green, green.
Let's go racing.
20 minutes remaining. You've got 20 minutes left.
Outside. Still there, right next to you. Still there, door. Still there. Still there. Quarter outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Right outside. Still there. Outside.
I was going to go with him, John, but obviously...
Outside. Still there. Still there at door. Still there. Still there, man. Still there. Still there. Still there.
I'm trying to hit you clear in the middle.
Still there.
On, boys, what the fuck?
Still there.
Hold the line.
Still there at your door. Still there at your door.
Sit there, Chris, if you want. You clear the bottom.
Clear
I reckon.
high.
Get down, Chris. Got the bottom.
Outside. Clear high, clear high.
The leader's just done a 47.9.
That's up and one.
Outside. Outside clear.
The trick is not to look at the truck in front of you, look down the track, or
Okay,
beside
Brandon,
the track.
the next car is Berry.
Still there.
That's big facts.
Still there. Still there. Still there.
Much appreciated, 99.
Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
The next car is Maguire.
Still there. Still there. Clear high.
Well played, John. Well played.
We're not gonna catch the pack doing this, bud. Let's go.
Okay, Brandon, the next car is Kramer. P10. New fastest lap for Maguire, 46.9.
Bitch, where are you going?
Go around him, I'll pick him up, Bob. Go around him.
Drop her sign. I don't think we're going anywhere.
Let's go, Pierce.
Soon either one of us will get it.
P9, that lap time was 47.4. That's your quickest lap.
Yeah. Is it 20-minute race or 15?
Outside.
Okay, Brandon, 15 minutes left. That's 15 minutes.
Still there. Quarter. Still there. Clear high.
P8.
Outside. Still there. Still there. Clear outside. Outside.
That's half fuel. You've used half your fuel.
Still there. Clear high, clear high. Working the outside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Can't tell, can't tell. Still there. Still there, door. Still there, your door. Still there.
Alright, Brandon, so we estimate you've got 5 minutes of fuel remaining.
Clear, clear outside.
Getting high here.
Outside. Still there, still there.
Yeah, I'll give up.
Still there.
Gosh, is this
Still
one or the
there.
next one? What are we doing? Off road.
Still there.
Guess we're going one more time.
Still there.
P7.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
You dirty motherfucker.
Still there. Still there. You're outside if you want it. Door outside. Still there. Clear high. Outside. Can't tell, can't tell. Clear up top. Outside corner. Still there. Still there.
Go.
Clear outside.
8th place. That last lap was a 48.2.
Inside. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
Okay, Brandon, 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes left.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Your door. Still there. Quarter. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there at your door. Still there.
Berry is leading the race.
Clear low.
You've got 10 minutes of fuel remaining. P9.
Try to get a black flag clear.
Sorry about that bump, dude. I had to try to
Car
clear
in
you.
front is PS.
Thank you.
Thanks for keeping it down there anyway.
Push now.
Yay.
Catch this guy.
Can you clear it again and give it to me in
Inside,
the pit?
inside.
Not me in the pit.
Still there.
Yeah, you better straight into the back
Still
of me
there.
and see the check up.
Still there. Still there.
Chris, can I get that black flag clear, bud?
Still there.
Thank you,
Door.
bud.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there right next to you. Still there. Still there.
Okay, Brandon. The next car is Beach.
Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Door. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
P10. The next car is Kramer. You've just done a 47.7.
Still there. Still there. Still
Sorry,
there.
man. It's getting a bit noisy up there. Drop it, Joe.
Still there.
Thanks, Brian.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there, man. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there.
All right, Brandon. The next car is Connor.
Still there. Still there.
That's 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. Your last lap time was at 48.3.
Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there at your door. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Still there. Clear low. Side. Still there. Clear on the bottom. Working the bottom.
What the fuck
Still
are
there.
you doing, bro?
In and out, no
Why would you come up and...
I didn't.
P9.
Inside,
Sorry,
inside.
Brian.
The guy in front of me kept hitting his brakes.
Still there at your door.
Sorry for running into you,
Inside,
Brian.
inside.
No,
Still
dude.
there. Still there.
Been racing
Quarter.
before.
Clear all around. Clear inside.
I'll claim that one, man.
Inside. Still there. Still there, man. Still there. Still there. Too wide inside. Inside, inside. Still there.
The next car is Lewis.
Still there. Still there.
Let's go, Kevin.
Still there. Still there. Door.
P7. White flag. One more lap.
Still there. 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 In and out. Looks clear, clear, clear.
Good run, Robert.
Good race. Awesome pushing, Kevin. Thank you.
I sucked at this race. I wrecked 3 different people. My bad.
Stay between the lines, please, Brandon.
I tried, Sean. I tried.
It was a good try, man. Much appreciated.
The driver in front of us is Watson.
Congrats to the podium.
Chris, you're running another one after this?
No, I got a ARCA cars up next at Roots Gogan
P12. There's the checker
road
flag.
track.
Or I'm with it.